Good morning, Tanda Rindu. Thank you for joining us today. How are you?
Good morning, Ara. I'm doing great. Thank you. I'm really excited for this opportunity to discuss the role.
We are glad to hear that. Let's start with you telling us a little about your background and how and what interests you about this position.
Sure, my name is Tanda Rindu Ramadhani Putri Johansson. People usually call me Rindu, and I recently graduated with a degree in accounting. During my study, I completed an internship at a financial service firm where I work with the accounting team on various tasks like preparing financial statement, reconciling account, and assisting with audits. I've always had an interest in numbers and problem solving, which led me to pursue accounting. This position caught my eye because of the opportunity to work with a strong finance team and contribute to the company financial success.
That's great. It sounds like you already have some solid hands-on experience. Could you share with us with a time during your internship when you faced a challenge and how you handled it?
Definitely, one of the challenges I encountered was during a month-end closing process. There was a discrepancy in the account receivable records, and it was preventing us from closing the books on time. I worked closely with the senior accountant to trace the source of the discrepancy. We found that there had been a data entry error. I will check all the related entries, correct the mistake, and help implement a more thorough review process to prevent similar issues in the future. It taught me the importance of attention to detail and double checking my work, especially in high pressure situations.
That's a great example of both problem solving and taking responsibility. In this role, you will be working close with other departments. How do you approach communication and collaboration with non-financial teams?
I believe it's important to communicate clearly and in a way that's easy to understand, especially when working with non-financial teams. When I need information from other departments, I try to explain why it's important for the financial process and how their input affect to the company overall finance picture. I also make sure to listen to their concerns and try to address any question they may have about the accounting process. Building strong relationship and understanding their perspective help foster collaboration.
That's a great approach. Now, this position involves a lot of detail-oriented work. How do you ensure accuracy in your financial reports and data entry?
I always make sure to follow established process and double check my work before finalizing anything, and I use accounting software to help automate calculation and reduce error. But I still make it a point to review all the data manually, especially when preparing the financial statement. If I encounter something unusual or inconsistent, I investigate it right away rather than just moving forward. I think the key is being proactive about catching mistakes early.
Sound like you have a solid process in for a query. Another important aspect of this role is managing deadlines. How do you handle tight deadlines, especially during busy periods like that season or year end close?
I'm very organized when it comes to managing deadlines. I like to break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks and prioritize them based on urgency. During busy periods, I make sure to stay ahead of deadline by setting personal milestones and regularly checking in with my team to ensure we're on track. If any issue arise, I address them quickly to avoid last minute rush.
That's great to hear. It sounds like you're well prepared for the demands of this role. So, Rindu, based on everything we've discussed today, We'd like to extend an offer to you for the position of accountant. We believe you'd be a great fit for the team.
Wow, thank you so much. I'm absolutely thrilled about the opportunity. I really believe I can contribute to the team and help drive the company financial goals forward.
We are excited to have you on board, Rindu. Your HR team will reach out soon to go over the detail and finalize everything.
Once again, congratulations, Rindu. We look forward to working with you. Have a great day.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to joining the team and getting started. See you soon.